What is up, guys? Well, welcome back to the Mirror Table, where what you bring to the table is a reflection of you. And I'm Shemaine, and today we are bringing more fashion to the table. So it is still Fashion Month, and this time we are going to Europe. It is Milan Fashion Week. So we're going to show you some of my favorite designers from Milan Fashion Week, and we're going to start out with Moschino. Now, Jeremy Scott was formerly the creative director of Moschino, and he stepped down. So I want to see who's going to be running Moschino right now? What is this fashion going to look like? Are they going to carry on with the whimsical designs that Moschino is noted for? Or what is it going to be like? So we're going to be watching the show, and you want to watch this whole video because we have some thrift flips thrown in between segment of the Moschino show. So let's get started with the first segment of Moschino, and then I'm going to show you a quick thrift flip and style an outfit. So stay tuned. Okay, so that was the first segment of the Moschino show. I'm a little scared. I don't know where they're going right now, but we're going to see. So I did love the simplicity of this first segment of this show, and I really love the hat. I think that's a real cute way to style a beanie hat, So we just normally just throw our hats on and, we go out, and our hats are used to protect us from the weather. But what if you made it really cute? So I really loved all the little jewels and I guess brooches they put on the hat. So I'm going to style an outfit that kind of reminds me of the first segment of the Moschino show. So let's start with a hat. So this is a hand knitted cap, kind of remind me of the cap that they had in the show. And a real quick way to just kind of upcycle or style a look is to just add some brooches. I found a bunch of brooches at the thrift store, and I'm just gonna kind of put them all over the hat. So, I'll put one there and have little pins in the back. So I'm just gonna literally just pin them on until I feel like I've reached the acquired look. But so this is all the little brooches that I found. So I'm just gonna pin all these on, and then I'm just gonna style look. So if you have a beanie hat, this is a really good idea to kind of style it up and really bring it up to current fashion. And so this is pretty much just a quick way to upcycle these brooches and pins. I mean, this is a real cool way to use them. A lot of times people just use one, but to put on a scarf, or sometimes it's kind of like an old-fashioned kind of thing. People felt like it's an old-fashioned thing to wear some brooches, but this kind of elevates the brooch and brings it up to style and a quick way to upcycle them. Okay, and see this look, I took it right from the show. So you can go to your closet, you can grab some denim jeans, some baggy jeans just like this, or find some from the thrift store. And like the brooches, just take a brooch and just upcycle that hat, that boring, beanie style hat, really make it high fashion, putting the brooches on. And this the regular turtleneck, get some of those old kind of fashion rhinestone necklaces and upcycle them and make them into a nice high fashion look. So this is what I came up with from watching the first segment of the Moschino Show. Okay, so now we're going to watch part 2 of the Moschino Show. Make sure you stay tuned. Another fun upcycle that's inspired by the show. Stay tuned. Now we're getting near Moschino. So I really love this part. I love the granny squares, how they put on the skirt. So I found some granny squares at the thrift store. I don't have a lot of them, but I have some I can do like a tank top and maybe put some on the handbag. So I just have this regular plain black bralette top and I'm going to put some granny squares on it. I have a few left, so I'm going to put a couple on this crochet bag by Saks. So I'm going to upcycle this handbag into a really cute handbag. So let's check out this look inspired by Moschino. So I put the granny squares on my bralette and I just styled it over a white shirt and a pair of jeans. I'm wearing that with my heart bag because I love Moschino. And check out the crochet bag with the granny squares. It came out really cute. Overall, love this outfit. And check out the cowboy hat. The first model came out in a cowboy hat and I thought that was a really cute touch. So I added that to the outfit. I wish I had some cute cowboy boots. That's the only thing I wish I had. But I do have some thigh-high boots. I just rolled them down and just paired them with the look. But overall, I think it came out really cute. I just love watching these shows because I get so many cool ideas to upcycle and to style outfits. So guys, make sure you're watching the shows and really keep up to date on your style and how you compare and coordinate your pieces. So I hope you guys are enjoying the show and some of the upcycles so far. So we're going to go to part 3 of the Moschino Show and we're going to see what looks they're bringing this time.
Suddenly, the world I used to know, I see it differently. You woke me from a dream, now here's reality. Baby, baby, you are really hurting me. 'Cause every time you tell me I look good in bed, I'm doing fine, but nothing ever changes. And now I see, baby, you are hurting me. that you've been playing felt so real to me. I once believed that you could be my destiny. Baby, baby, you are really hurting me. Who is she? How can you reject me so damn easily? Who are you and what are we? Baby, baby, you are really hurting me. I know you're playing your part, but baby, it's breaking my heart. How could I?
I don't wanna be cruel, but here's the thing. What you thought we had never lasted. It was good at first, but eventually I could see between all the cracks, yeah. You did everything you could to have me. You did your best to make me yours. If I knew how all of this would turn out, but nobody knew. And now we done to you. And now we done to you. Baby, you. Baby. How can I say it so that you could understand? How can I tell you how stupid I felt? I can't believe that I thought we were in love when you were busy playing in my heart. You did everything you could to have me. You did your best to make me yours. If I knew how all of this would turn out, but nobody knew. And now we done to you. And now we done to you. Baby, you. Baby, how could I let you in? I could have let you in. It's so fast, you really got me. You. And now we done to you. 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 You did everything you could to have me. You did your best to make me yours. If I knew how all of this would turn out, but nobody knew. And now we done to you. And now we done to you. Baby, you. How can I let
So did you guys enjoy the show? I really did. I thought it was a lot of fun. It was really cool. What I found out is I did some research because I was trying to figure out why there were 4 different collections. It wasn't like a cohesive collection. It felt like it was 4 different ones, and it actually was. So 4 different stylists were actually selected to interpret Moschino's 2024 collection for the 40th year anniversary of Moschino. So I thought that was really cool how they just brought in all different archival clothing and used that to really interpret what Moschino is and what it has been throughout the years. So I really enjoyed this show and this collection. What I'm really interested in is who is going to be the creative director for Moschino. Hopefully they will announce that soon, but I really want to know who it's going to be and what the collection will be like. Will they continue with the whimsical fashion and the political messages, you know, how that will be? Will they pick a celebrity? They're like, who is it going to be? Will it be a woman? You know, who is it going to be? Thank you guys so much for watching. This show has been so much fun. I hope you enjoyed the thrift flips. I hope you learned a few tips along the way. And so guys, let me know if you want to see more shows like this. Also give this video a thumbs up and tell a friend. I'm trying to get to 10,000 followers, so we are getting very close, guys. But thank you guys again so much for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one. Bye.